Don't have time to deal with complicated review collection methods? Tagembed Review Hub is here to help. This user-friendly platform simplifies the entire process, allowing you to gather valuable customer feedback with minimal effort. So, how to use the Tagembed Review Hub? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Just head to Tagembed and create a free account. Easy as that. Select Review widget after signing up to Tagembed. When on the dashboard, you will find the Tagembed Review Hub at the bottom left corner. Click on it. Tell Tagembed Review Hub about your business with your name and logo. Tagembed will generate a QR code and a hyperlink for you. Share the QR code or hyperlink anywhere your customers can see it, online, in-store, on receipts. The possibilities are endless. With Tagembed Review Hub, collecting glowing reviews is simple. Get started today and turn your brand into a customer review champion.